Hi everybody. Because last time when we do the presentation via Sencha, the demo section on Sencha do not work properly. So I make this video file to show you how the tool working and how to set up the tool to work in your network. First, you will receive the file like this, rehaming tool.zip. Just unzip the file, extract here. You will get one folder rehaming tool. Copy the whole folder and put in CWIN's directory. In my computer, it is CWIN home and my username is Farm. Maybe in your computer this one is different, the username is different. Just put it in, paste here. Now you see the rehaming tool folder in your username in CWIN's directory. Open it. In this folder you will see the Excel files, rehaming tools. Just open it. This is how the tool look like. You can see there are two buttons, start reham and export CR file. Now I show you how to set it up to reham node B. In the example, as I told you before in the presentation section, the tool can work in two modes. One in direct connect mode and one in offline mode. Because in the tech project I can connect to the node directly, so I will use direct mode for this demo. For offline mode, I will show you later at the end of this demonstration. What you need to set up: go to the second sheet, input information. In this sheet, you just need to specify the ANC in your network and the ONM IP address in your network. For the other column, just leave it blank. In my network, I have 14 ANC, so I just copy it. I have the list here. Just copy 14 ANC. Okay, paste, and the IP address of ANC. Okay, 14 ANC and their IP address. Just save it. Second step you need to do is go back to reham sheet. In this sheet, you will input the information start at row 12. You see, row 12. You will input the IGB link, source ANC, destination ANC, and IPS ID. If you want to change, just delete it. Okay, in this example, I will do reham 10 node B from ANC run sheet 5 to other ANC SNK4 and SNK6 and run sheet 6. Then node B. Okay, this. Copy the IGB link of reham site and put it here. From Pro 12. the sock ANSI as I tell you it is wrong sheet 5 get 0. You can see copy the ANSI name according to the user label in manage element equal 1 wrong sheet 5 and destination ANSI. The first file node B I want to rehome to wrong sheet 6 get 0. The other I want to rehome to SNK4 okay wrong sheet 6. Okay, for IP ID, if you want to change it, just input here 1 2 3 4, just example 1 2 3 5, and this. If you want to change any other attribute in RGB link, just put it here, here, and here. As you can see here, you can change maximum 3 other attribute in RGB link. For example, if I want to change the remote IP address of RGB link, yes, remote IP address. Okay, just copy it here and paste here. For example, I want to change this one to 10.99.99.99 and 10.99.99.8. For in this example, I just change IP address of two node B only. For the other one, keep the old one. Keep the old one. Okay. Get the user cell information. This is the user cell of the node B that will be rehomed. As you can see, it's 60 cells for 10 RGB link. You have to put on user cell of rehome side here. If any user cell missing in this column, it will pop up error when the tool running. In user cell level, if you want to change any attribute, just put here. For example, if you want to change the location area, just put here 9999. Routing area 9999. For example, if I want to change one more attribute, for example, cell ID, I just input it in this column, and if you want to change more attribute, just input in next column, and so on. Cell ID, just copy it here, put it here. 1 2 3 4 5 no. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 6 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 6 1 2 3 4 6 okay, check this here because some not be moved to another ANSI, maybe location error different, so I just put here 8. Okay, setting up finished. Now I will start the tune to get information from the ANSI. Start rehoming. There are two modes, as you can see. Direct connection, when we have the direct connect from the workstation to ANSI. If you don't have, just you apply modes to get information from KKS. I will tell about this at the end of this demo. Direct connection. Okay. Now the tool is connecting to ANSI and collect the information for rehoming site. This step takes around 10 minutes, so wait around 10 minutes. The tool will connect to ANSI 3 times. The tool is still running. and the third time, the last time that the tool connect to ANC to get the information. Okay, so the tool have finished collecting the data from ANC for rehoming site. As you can see, it takes around 9 minutes for this step. Click OK. You see there's no error in this log file. It means it's okay. If there is any log, if you see any error in this log, you need to fix the error first before you go on next step. As I see, there is no error here, so go on next step. Click on export CR file. Okay. Now the tuning export the information for on and C that related to this rehoming node B. The export file will be put here. Export folder in rehoming tool and export. Okay, export finished. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ANSI involved in this activity. After this step, you got this Excel file like the CR file that you got from IF team. You can use any tool or memoirs to generate the script from this step. For example, and open run sheet 5 or run sheet 6. You will see the internal region relation. In this step, no delete internal region cell, internal region relation, and sheet M relation, sheet M cell, RGB link, region cell. This is the new location error, and this is a new routing error and new cell ID. Okay. For me, I have another tool to convert from Excel file to MO script. Just copy Excel file and this is a tool to convert from Excel to MO script. Open this tool. This is how the tool look like. Just copy the export file from rehoming tool and put in export folder in this tool. For example, I have prepared the template for project AES project, DTEC project, Indosat project, and VNP project. So this one used for DTEC project, so just open DTEC project and C and CR, just copy it here, paste. Go back to the tool and click on generate script. When you see this error, just OK. Select another cell in another sheet and go back. This should be OK. This step just update the directory of the tool. You can put the tool everywhere. Just click generate script, and now you can see now it's generating a script for this one. Create relation, delete relation, run sheet 3 and run sheet 5. As you can, for example, for run sheet 1, create relation, you see it's create the external region cell. This is the MO script. And this is the external region relation. This is how the script looks like. And this is the delete relation. Not finished run sheet 5, yes. In run sheet 5, you see the create relation, delete relation, and delete node. This is the MO script. Delete EUL, XS, region cell, AUB, EDCH, IUB, service area. Just wait a few minutes. The tool is running. It takes around 3 minutes to generate the script. As you can see, no error. Finish time without error. You can continue next step. Go back here. You can see RA node, RA relation, detail script for RA nodes, RGB link, RGB ETC, execution cell, flash, EULs, entity relation, coverage relation, internal region relation, external region cell, external region relation, CHM cell and CHM relation. After this step, you have on MO script to run on source ANSI, destination ANSI, and relative ANSI. Just on the script can be run with trun commands. Don't run it with trun eyes. All of them should have to be run with trun commands. So finish for rehoming. Now I will show you if you don't have the direct connection from the workstation to ANSI. Maybe the customer not allowed, so you can use offline mode to generate the script for rehoming site. Okay, go back here. Yes. With offline mode, you have to take the keyget file on ANSI in your network. Take the keyget file by the command dcgk and put the output file from command dcgk into the keyget folder of rehoming tool. As you can see, rehoming tool and keyget just put here. After that, go back to rehoming tool, go to second sheet, delete all of them, no need to keep anything. Go back to rehome site, just save, start. The other step is the same, like the direct connect mode, RGB link, source ANSI, destination ANSI, ambient ID if you want to change, remote IP address if you want to change, new cell of rehoming site, new location area, new routing area, and new cell ID. If you don't want to change cell ID, just delete it. The tool will keep the old cell ID for you. Just save and start rehoming from keyget list. OK. The tool will collect information from keyget files instead of connect to the ANSI directly. If you have any question, just drop me an email or call me via number in Outlook. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.